Well, I'm with Cassie from Ozark Mountain Flower Truck here in Springfield, Missouri. So Cassie, tell me about Ozark Mountain Flower Truck.
It's a flower truck, so it's a 1970 Volkswagen single cab truck, and we move all around Springfield and some of the smaller towns, and we sell cut flowers out of the bed of the truck.
Cool. So you probably go to a lot of farmers markets. I see on Instagram and stuff that you set up outside of different businesses during the week.
Yeah.
So you're really, you know, it's a mobile business for sure.
Yeah, some days we set up at up to 3 locations in one day. So we go to some markets, we set up with small, locally owned businesses, and sometimes we'll go out to weddings, showers, all that good stuff.
I think prom would be probably smart too, I don't know.
I'll hit that up next year.
Yeah, right. So you've only been at it since last summer?
Last July.
Okay.
Yep, July 13th was our first day in business.
But you've stayed really busy, it looks like.
Yeah, it's become kind of popular, which is good.
Well, come on, this thing has this kind of charm, how can it not be, you know?
Yeah.
And really, like we were talking about earlier, the truck has kind of its own character. People kind of know the truck, you know, through social media and stuff.
Yeah, the truck's name is Stella, and people send me emails like with the subject line to Stella and the driver. And
so you're the driver.
Yeah,
okay.
I don't have a name, but the truck does.
That's great.
Yeah, and I like it that way. I like people to know the truck first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's the pull, definitely. I mean, that's a charmer for sure. Where can we find out more about Ozark Flower Truck? I know, like, your Instagram presence is really good.
Yeah, so people follow me, most people follow me on Instagram, at Ozark Mountain Flower Truck. And then I also have a Facebook page. Once in a blue moon, I update Twitter.
Yeah.
And then I also have a website, ozarkmountainflowertruck.com, where people can find a lot of information there.
Yeah. I love it. Well, thank you so much for meeting with me.
Yeah.
The driver of Stella.
Yes.
And
she who shall not be named.
Right. Yeah, and thank you, Bus Junkies, for sponsoring this video. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. Busvlogger on Assignment is a new series sponsored by busjunkies.com. Busjunkies.com is home base for all of us living the air-cooled lifestyle. Go visit busjunkies.com and tell them Busvlogger sent you.